Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you a easy natural makeup look. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do this video, so I figure I'd get on here and show y'all exactly what I do. As you can see, my eyebrows is already done, so the first step I like to do is moisturize my face. I like to take this product, it's by Jergens. It's just a regular moisturizer, and I have very dry skin, so I like to take a lot of this product and just marinate it into my face, you know, rub it into my face and stuff like that. Next step I like to do is take this coconut water and spray that on top of that, just for an extra layer before I start to apply makeup. It also makes me look very natural and dewy, have that nice glow. Alright, the next step I do is I take this MAC Prep and Prime primer and I just place that onto my face. I like this primer because basically, like I said, I have dry skin. So it's very moisturizing, but it also works as a primer as well. Like I said, it's just an extra layer before I apply, you know, foundation and concealer and stuff like that. So just make sure you moisturize and prime your face, ladies. So now what I'm doing, I'm just pinning back my hair, getting it out of my way. And I like to take this concealer. It's very, it like almost matches my skin tone. So I like to take this and hide and cover up all my blemishes, dark circles, and acne. My face has been really breaking out, so I like to do that by taking some concealer and a flat brush and just blending that on into my skin. That way it won't appear through my makeup. A little bit more extra coverage before the foundation. So you can do that with your skin tone and some concealer and you will be a-okay. Alright, so now what I'm doing is taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 330. Going to work on one side of my face, buff that in. Then I'm going to go on to the other side of my face and buff that in as well. Y'all, I used to hate foundation, but when I discovered this Maybelline foundation, how it leaves my skin dewy, because like I said, I have dry skin, and this is perfect. Plus, it's like full coverage. So, yeah, definitely check out this Maybelline foundation if you haven't already. Absolute love it. And it's affordable. Like, come on now. Next, what I like to do is highlight this face. Okay, and I like a little bit of a highlighted look. Okay, but as you can see, I'm taking this concealer, I believe it's also from Maybelline, and I'm taking it under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin, and down the bridge of my nose. And I'm taking a damp beauty sponge, whatever you want to call it. Make sure it's damp, ladies. And I'm just blending, I'm just, you know, buffing that out, blending it out. Blending is key. Make sure you blend the concealer. Make sure you have no creases. And you just want to keep blending till, you know, you feel like it looks okay. So I'm taking this loose powder and setting that concealer so it don't crease or move around my face, and so I don't get too oily. So yeah, you always want to set your concealer with some type of powder, loose powder, setting powder. I'm doing this loose powder because, like I said, it is a natural makeup look. So I decided to use this loose powder also from Maybelline as well. Now I'm going to bring some color and definition back into my face by contouring. I'm going to use this concealer, LA Pro Girl concealer. I'm going to be placing this on my cheekbones and my forehead a little bit, and taking that same makeup sponge and blending it out as well. And as you can see, I'm bringing the color and the life back into my face. And I'm taking that same loose powder I was using and just kind of placing it below my contour just to cut it a little bit more. Now I'm taking this black Radiance contour palette and I'm going to be setting that concealer or that contour. And, you know, just bronzing up my face a little bit because I like to look a little bit tan. So yeah, I like to take that and bronze up my face just so, you know, I can make sure the right amount of color is applied back to my face. That way I won't look flat and dull. So right now I'm just, you know, putting on mascara. That's self-explanatory. I also apply some lashes. Just gonna place some mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I'm taking this illuminated highlighter just so I can have the extra dewiness, and as you can see, it's going to give me a really nice dewy glow on my cheek. Like right where the sun is going to hit, it's going to boom. Like I love this illuminator, like this liquid highlighter. It's amazing. It's by NYX, by the way. So yeah, I like to take that and put it on my cheekbones a little bit. And now it's time to highlight. I got this highlight from Sephora. And I'm just going to be placing that highlighter right on top of that liquid highlighter. And it's just going to enhance the highlighter. I absolutely love this, y'all. This is a good tip if you want that extra highlight and that extra, you know, glowy look. Like I said, this is a natural look, so I didn't really do too much. I wanted to keep it nice and simple for you all. Right now, I'm just moisturizing my lips, throwing some random lip gloss on. I really wanted to make this as simple and easy as possible for y'all because, look, you can beat your face within, this took me like 10 minutes, okay? And I'm beat. Okay. But yeah, right now what you see me doing is taking this brow gel from e.l.f. and I'm just placing that on my eyebrows just so they can stay in place and look a bit more natural. And I'm going to take this Tarte Mist Spray. It's like a setting spray. And what you want to do is set your makeup so your makeup can last all day. I'm going to fan that and make sure it dries. And y'all, that is basically it. Seriously, like, I made this video so easy, so simple for y'all. All it takes is practice. Just go pick up the products and just practice. Literally practice. Yeah, I'm just planning my hair. I didn't know how to style it, but I'm feeling real cute. Yes, look at that highlight. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.